To be happy or not to be happy is in your hand. You have to make the decision to be happy. If you decide to be compassionate, devoted, kind, and open-minded, and sincere and genuine, then you will be happy, I guarantee you. Until that, very difficult, try to be happy. You have to be truly happy from inside. And outside things helps us, of course. But if we are not happy from inside, nothing from outside can do a bit. Actually, things from outside which makes us happy today definitely will not be the same tomorrow, and day after tomorrow it might become the cause of our suffering. Many times it happened. History tells us. So, brothers and sisters throughout the world, be happy by being the kindness, the compassion, the love, and the wisdom embodiment. I can tell you one thing with the full confidence, 100% confidence, it is in you. Brothers, sisters, it is in you. I guarantee you, I tell you, I can stand behind this. It is in you. If you are a Buddhist, Buddha is in you. If you are a believer of any other faith, all that is great and perfect is in you. It's in you, not out there, it's in you.